Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on TED. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on TED. Maybe because you have heard a lot about the TED app, or maybe you think the videos on the TED are very much interesting and inspiring, so you want to give it a try because you're looking for some inspiring videos. Or maybe you have seen a video in a clip and it says the full video will be available on TED, so you're looking for that video and you want to create account on the TED. So whatever the reason it could be for you to create an account on TED, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the TED app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, you just have to simply tap on its icon to open this TED app. Once you open the TED app, it will greet you by just saying welcome to TED, and there's an option which says let's go. If you click on it, you will be easily able to create an account. At the bottom we have another option through which you can log in, but as we are here to create an account, therefore we have to click on let's go, because with the help of this option we can easily create our account. So just simply tap onto let's go, and we will forward get to this option where we have to add our interest. So here you have to add the topics in which you are interested, so that the app will show you the videos related to your interest. It will suggest you videos that are related to what you want. So you will just have to select the any kind of topics of your choice. You can choose multiple ones or you can go with any single choice of yours. Once you're done with all that, just simply click on this red option, this one. Once you click on it, it will again ask you what you are looking for. So here you have to explain, or you can say you have to choose the options. For example, if you're looking for personal growth, then you can go for it, and there are other options available. You can choose it, and it will again show you the content related to what you have selected. You can also select the multiple ones, and once you're done with selecting the option, you can select this red option. Once you click here, now it's time to add your email address. Here you can use your Apple ID, your Gmail, or your Facebook, or any other email of your choice. You just have to simply add email address, and after that it will create your account. It will just take a while to load, and once it done with doing all these, it will show you this option. Now first it will ask you some permission, so you can allow it or deny it. It's all up to you. And once you're done with all that, you will see that your account will be created. Now you can watch videos, you can download them, you can save them, and can enjoy the content on the TED app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on TED app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.